I think in Bhav Prakasha or Sharangdar, it is four type of takra is mentioned. That is one is takra, another one is golaka, third one is charchika, and fourth one I don't know. They have divided based on the water we should use in curd. For example, one part curd and 16 part water means it will become another thing. One part curd and 8 part water means it will become another thing. One part curd and 4 part water, it will become another thing. So what we drink today nowadays in whole India is charchika. It has only water. What explained in Ayurveda is takra is totally different than what we are eating, as Guru Raja sir already told in beginning, right? So that I will share four types based on how much water part we should take. And another in the same sloka, they have divided based on with butter and without butter. Once you churn the curd, with a butter, the buttermilk quality is different, and once you remove the butter, it will be have other quality. So butter is there means you have to use in another dishes. If without butter, you have to use in another dishes. And one more thing I would like to add: there are only few things which are told auspicious in Ayurveda. Pavitra. One among the pavitra things in Ayurveda is this curd.
Okay.
In my Gujarat, when we travel to far place, our grandmother give us curd to taste. It is because of auspiciousness. Because if you taste curd and you travel the big work or journey, then you will be safe. That's what in our culture we believe. And we also found reference of curd as this Pavitra in Charak Samhita. If you read the Dadi Shloka, there is one shloka Pavitra means auspicious thing. That's why we put in puja. And there is one more reference. In morning, when you wake up, you have to just see the curd or cow ghee when you open the eyes. That will keep you long life for 100 years. This also we have reference in Ayurveda. So another thing that in rhinitis, Jeerna Pratishaya or Pinasa, we have to use curd. So why we have to use curd in this disease only? Dadi has a abhishandi action and we have to use it with maricha. Maricha has a pramathi action. So Dadi will accumulate all the secretion in nose and if we give with maricha, it will throw out means out of the body. So that is the reason why we use this Dadi in this Jeerna Pratishaya or Pinasa.